Thank you, Babak, Arzu, and thank you for also inviting me to be part of this esteemed panel of guests that you have here, and to you, the audience, for joining in our session. So today, I do plan to elaborate on a couple of themes that resonate with me, and what I have focused my topic on is how do we optimize for value in mature hydrocarbon fields like the ones we operate here, BP operates here, the ACG and the Shah Deniz fields. And at BP, we use three lenses in which we do this, and I think it really aligns very well with what Babak just spoke about. The first is capital productivity. The second is resource progression to the recovery factor. How do we get the barrels out of the ground quickly? And the third is removing waste or cost from our operating system. So how do we become more efficient at what we do? And of course, technology, which Arzu and Babak did touch on, plays a very key role within each of these three main areas. So if I take the first one, capital productivity, it's about embracing a minimum scope to get after the barrels and get the barrels out of the ground as quickly as possible. And what does this mean? Actually means designing for a reference case, not every possible outcome. But of course, the downside, the economics need to be resilient to the downside case in order for these barrels to be competitive. And so what we're trying to understand in the ACG field, as Babak said, has a large amount of remaining reserves. And these reserves are quite dispersed across the field, so understanding how close they are to existing infrastructure makes them ILX type opportunities, or how far away from existing infrastructure dictate how many access points we need. And of course, that then leads to the technology we need to adopt. But I'll keep going in the interest of time, because it says my time is up, but I don't think so. Right. On the second one, it's resource progression. Now, quite often, a lot of us in this industry focus on the new things, the major projects, the new wells wedge, but actually, the base production is enormous. And the base production represents 85% of our in-year production and 70% of our resource progression plans. So protecting our existing base reservoirs and wells is extremely important to maximizing the IPC for its lifetime. And then that also speaks to improving the recovery factor. The base plays a very important role, and employing the systems and tools and processes that we use to protect these existing basin reservoirs is hugely important. And then the last bit I wanted to touch on is on removing cost or waste from our system. And the element of this is improving the productivity and efficiency with which we work. And very simply, it's reducing the work cycle time. And how do you create the right organizational setup, collaborative digital environment that integrates not only our data, but our people in the right way, to remove handovers, to not work in silos? I would argue that the product is even better. So how do you reduce your work cycle time to improve productivity and efficiency without compromising technical quality? And to me, that's the secret in how we naturally reduce waste from our system. So those are the three main areas I wanted to touch on.